Alright guys, I got a older unit here. It's a high-rise. It's the 88 to 98 Chevy full-size trucks with the 8-foot bed. It's a fiberglass unit with cargo doors on the side. It's in decent shape. It does have some issues with paint, finish, and clear coat peel. Has a small divot crack hole in the fiberglass right there. But really, other than that, it's pretty structurally sound. Like I said, you got a lot of clear coat peel all the way through here. Got a small crack right there. Fiberglass looks pretty good through there. The side has the cargo opening access doors. Just turn the handle there, and here it allows you to open up the door so that you can access inside the truck bed. And you just close that up, latch it back down, and it secures it back up again. This one here has the front sliding window in it. You see it's got a little paint rub right there. There's a little crack right there in the glass. Paint fade on the top. Another little crack right there in the glass. Side here also has a lot of paint fade, or a clear coat peel on this side. Clear coat, a lot of clear coat peel there. This bottom edge is no damage to the fiberglass down through there. Just a lot of paint fade. This one also has the cargo doors, access doors on the side. Same thing as the other side, just turn the T-handle. Allows access into the truck bed. Closes back up the same way. Single T-handle locking rear door. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Looks like they put some sealant behind the front slider at one point in time. Oh, here it is. This is a hopcap. It was 51 Burgundy 1998 GM truck with 8-foot bed. 88 to 98 Chevy and GMC. So there it is. It's a high-rise unit by Hopcap, fiberglass unit. Fits the 88 to 98 Chevy trucks with the 8-foot full-size 8-foot bed. Below is a link to our unit on our website. To this unit on our website. So if you want to check the price, what location it's at, information like that, purchase it online. Can be done there. Also, there's a link to our site in general if you're just looking for cap repair parts, your clamps, your tapes, your sealants, ladder racks, things like that are all available online for purchase. Thanks for watching.